really be a better way to start a day than this beautiful sight of the sun rising through the branches of a marula tree and a young elephant bull. Let's give it a little bit of perspective. It's only really from a very young age, young males lag behind. They start from 5, 6, 7 years old, not spending so much time at their mother's side as opposed to the young cows that are more likely to spend time at their mother's side, going into puberty, helping with the new babies. The young bulls stay with the herd into their teens. Now, another thing I must tell you too is that the elephant's maturity rate is very similar to that of humans. I mean, they go through puberty at about the same age as we do. They age at the same rate that we do. So you could say their mentality is on par with ours in terms of, or rather their maturity, and their mental maturity is very similar. So you get these young bulls, like this one in his early 20s perhaps, who thinks he's a man, but he's still got a long way to go. Or the youngsters in their teens that think that they're invincible. And it's only really when they get into their 30s and closer to 40 that maturity really sets in. But as a youngster going through puberty, they'll still be with the herd, and as the herd moves around, because the herd has to move around a lot, because of their food requirements, and as the herd moves around, so these young bulls tend to spend more and more time on their own with the herd, if you know what I mean. So they'll be with the herd, but they might be 100 yards away, they might be 50 yards away, they might be lagging behind even further. The wonderful thing about elephants is that their communication system is quite complicated and quite unique for a land mammal, using infrasound, very low frequencies, and a low frequency is able to travel a long distance, and so they might not be within eyeshot or within eyesight of each other, but they could still keep in contact with the family units, these young bulls. So by the time they reach their late teens and early 20s, they're quite happy to be on their own, and it's not really a case of being chased away. Morning, young man. We're going to sit here quietly now because I can hear him breathing, and maybe you can too, because he's very close to us. But now that the sun is rising, we need to be a little bit more to the east of him so we get better light on him. Okay, let me move, Cat, because we're now looking straight into the sun. I don't know how he'll react because he's so close to us, but I'm going to go back a little bit, and instead of trying to go forward right in front of him, I'm going to go back and around this combretum, this big bush willow on our left. Get a better view. Excuse me, starting up, Ellie. Oh, wait, he's going to stretch. No, he's not. African monarch sleeping. Hello, child. Come here. Look, actually that is a monarch. Still warming up with the sun. Well, we've got two monarchs. We've got the elephant monarch and a butterfly monarch. Good morning, Mr. Bull. Now you can get a nice view of him and my butterfly in the sun. There we go, in the sun. There are no marula fruits here, so I'm not sitting on any of your fruits. Bye bye butterfly. Bye bye elephant. Wow. Welcome to WildEarth Safari. The best of times. And my butterfly flew away. Seemed to have warmed up enough. Maybe got some heat off of my finger. So, a very nice welcome back to me and Cat.